Right guys, I just want to clear up a couple of things that come up on the last video. Right, this room has a fan because somebody asked, why didn't you ask her for a fan? I didn't ask her because I brought this fan from the Philippines. It uses very little electricity, and being as I'm sat here, it's blowing on me all the time. I don't need an aircon, I don't need a fan. And plus, I'm on a very tight budget, which is about $700 a month. So, you know, think about it. Right, I'm not joking, $700 a month. Now, this place has got a washer. In fact, it's got two washers. I'll show you. Right, leave my apartment. I'll show you the first one. It's upstairs, the next floor, which is the top floor on the roof. And there's the washing machine. It's brand new. We've just fitted it today. As you can see, the plug's not even in. Very nice. All connected up to the water, so you don't have to throw water in. Tell you what guys, being here is so easy compared to the Philippines. I mean, I was washing out of a bucket. I was doing my washing in a bucket. You know, every time I'd go to get washed, I'd wash my underwear out, my tops, because they're so thin it's easy to do. Here, just let it build up, throw them in the washer. All you got to do is get some wash powder. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Show you the next one, lot. But before I do, I just want to sort of talk about very quickly. A subscriber said, Chris, I like you, but sometimes it seems like you're moaning, like you're going round in the $180 and you're moaning at it. Now, I'm not moaning, I'm simply telling you what my requirements are, and it doesn't fit them requirements at the price it is. My budget really was $150 a month, and there is actually apartments similar to the one I've got for $150 a month. However, I just thought if I can get really good sunlight and a nice, I've got to feel the atmosphere now, you know, just like you do. I've had lots of people saying, oh, I'd choose this one, Chris, I'd go for that one, Chris. That's your choice. And it's the same with me. I've seen so many videos, especially walking around Siem Reap, where they don't see anything, they just walk around. Now, I'm not saying my videos are brilliant, they're not. I've lost, like, last 3 months I've lost nearly 60 subscribers. Nearly 40 in the last few weeks, just before I left the Philippines. It's alright. I mean, at the end of the day, it's not subscribers that pay the rent, it's people that view your videos. If the views aren't there, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you got. I mean, there's guys here and in the Philippines with less subscribers than me get more views. So, you know, don't take this as moaning, guys. It's just me. I'll always try and give you some good information, and if I've missed something out, just tell me and I'll give you that information if I have it. So after I've done this, I've got to go to a shop because I dropped something onto my flask. So I didn't just break the something, I broke my flask as well. I've just bought them. But if you're coming to Cambodia, look, you can live, well, I'm assuming I haven't been here long enough now, but I'm sure I can live on what I've got, $700 a month, until my pension. I can't see a problem with it. I've just got to cook and not eat out. I don't drink, don't smoke. So it's going to be, I wouldn't say easy, but it should be smooth sailing, guys. And if you want to come to Cambodia, I would suggest, well, not just Cambodia, Philippines, whatever, you've got some savings. Now, a lot of these apartments, when you rent them, if they're like 200 plus, they've got all the utensils, and you might even have a microwave or something like that. But when you go down, mostly you don't. But when you go up, you get more washing machines, swimming pools. Anything 250 to 300 generally has a swimming pool. I've seen loads of them. And the best place to look for an apartment online is Facebook. So I'm hoping that the videos I do are informative as well. Not, you know, you do enjoy them. And if you do, guys, please subscribe to both channels, a Brit in the Philippines and a Brit in Cambodia. It means a lot, especially the Cambodian channel. I really need that to take off. And just be aware that any videos you watch, if you're not subscribed, you can't comment. I've put that on now, so it's no real loss if you're not subscribed, you know. And it's not no, it's just how it is. So please subscribe, please watch the videos to the end, because nobody does. Like the last video, the average view time was 3 minutes, and the video was a lot longer than that. So I'll show you the other washing machine. I'm only doing this because I didn't really put it into the video you've just watched. So I've put a little bit more information in. So I'm going to go to the market stall I always go to, and have a bit of fun with the lady that runs it. She's ever so nice. Right, we're on the bottom floor. I've had to buy one of these because she didn't have one spare, sorry. Right, see this water? I went out and bought another one. Reason being is, when the one on my fridge runs out, I've got time to get the other bottle of water while that one's being used. But she said these are all hers, and if I ever need any water, just take it and pay her for it when I see it, basically. There you go, this one's working, somebody's using it. This looks, it's exactly the same as upstairs, and look how new it is, guys. And it's a Samsung. So I've got everything here I want. Everything. Don't really want anything. And most of the people that rent here are actually foreigners. On the end he's Canadian. The one next to him down here, he's from Holland. I don't know these, but the lady says they're all foreigners. So don't forget, guys, please support the channel. Please support the Cambodian channel, really important. I mean, I'm nearly hitting 1,000 subscribers on the, I don't know if it's the last video, the video before, and not many subscribe to the Cambodian. So sad. So please subscribe, and I'll be ever so grateful. See you on the next one, guys.